Hello everyone, my name is Keith Lalalantaon and I am from grade 11 UMS 2, and I will be teaching you how to use noun and what is noun. So let's start. The use of noun is to name someone, something, or some place, so we can talk or write about them clearly. Number 1 example is the subject of a sentence, or what does the action. The dog runs fast. The noun here is dog and the subject. Number 2 is the object of a verb, who or what receives the action. She reads a book. Book is a noun and the subject. Number 3, to show possession, ownership. This is Anna's bag. That's the noun, Anna. Number 4, after a preposition or part of a phrase. He is at the park. Park is a place or noun. It is a part of noun. Number 5, to name ideas, feelings, or qualities. For example, happiness is important. The happiness here is the noun. In short, nouns are very important in English and all other languages because they give names to everything we talk about.